Hey guys, we're getting into today. We're going to go over KYLIE Cosmetics and just a simple hack you can do to your e-commerce product pages that'll have a big impact on your conversions. So everyone knows the old famous Kylie Jenner, KYLIE Cosmetics, her makeup skincare brand. Let's get into it. We made just a simple change to her foundation brush page. Right off the bat, we didn't do too much different, but what we did do is added free one-day shipping in USA under the CTA. What we found is that adding free shipping under your CTA buttons, it does actually make a big impact to your CVR, and it does improve the conversion. So we find an average 28 or more %. So just add this little thing just to see difference. And as well, we added social proof here. She had product features. It's vegan, cruelty-free, clean, whatever. But it's way more impactful to just add some social proof, either some UGC videos or even if it's text reviews as well. So right off the bat, this page, I foresee it's going to convert at least the minimum 20% or more, 20 to 30%. If not even more. So free shipping plus social proof, just little changes we did that would boost the conversions on this. And as you can see on the mobile before and after, just little hack we did, little change, free one-day shipping in USA. It's something that, you know, she didn't add up here, but if she added here, it makes a big difference. It's a small thing that can have a big impact on your product pages, especially for mobile. Remember, more than 80% of traffic is coming from mobile. So yeah, hope you guys like this. If you want to do something similar and improve your conversions on your e-commerce store, book a call and let's chat.